Hello everybody. Today I'm going to show you how to get free music and sound effects from Epidemic Sounds. So first step, you want to go to epidemicsound.com, and this should be the first thing that comes up when you type in Epidemic Sound on your browser. Then what you want to do is you want to press F12 on your keyboard. If you don't have that, what you need to do is right click. It shows inspect. So you can either press F12 on your keyboard or press inspect after you right click. And then it's going to take you to this tab called elements. You don't want that. You want to go to network, and then you want this to be showing as if you're recording. We have to find some sound effects first. So let's scroll down. Let's go to music. Then we can pick our genre. Let's just pick epic. Why not? And then you can see on the right all of these different tabs popping up. These are all useless to us. So what we want is to play a sound. So let's just say Lilac Fields. Let's just play that one. And then I'm going to pause it. You see right here where it shows that little play button. It's media. You can also go up here and press media. This is an MP3 file. So you don't even need to sign up for Epidemic Sound. You don't need to make an account. You don't need to pay. All you have to do, press F12, go to inspect element, go to network, pick a sound you want, play it. Shows up right here. So you can double click it. It's going to take you to this page. You can press on the three dots and then press download. It downloads right to your computer. You do not need to sign up for this website, so you don't even need to pay. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll catch you next time.